Sometimes back, I made a video on how to buy bags at the wholesale price from China using Bao66.cn. The video was so educating, and everyone that watched the video are really enjoying it, benefiting from the video. But recently, people are facing challenges with this Bao66.cn, and that is why I'm making this video for you, for the lover of bags. Anyone have interest in importing bags at the wholesale price from China? This is a solution I have for you currently now. Why am I making this video? If you go to Bao66.cn now, you see some technical problem they have with the website now. Technical problem they have with the website. So if you have watched my video before, you see that things were working fine, things were okay then, but now they have some challenges, and that's why I'm making this video for you. So which means you need to give me your time and watch this video from beginning to the end. Do not skip any part of this. All right, so I want to show you now how to do this now. Get your bag to be able to buy things you want. But before I go, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, what you can do to help yourself is to hit that subscribe button now so that you can benefit more from my content, and give me like on this video, then drop your comments, and in the comment box please drop some of these keywords here in the screen for me. Thank you guys as you are doing so. So without further ado guys, let's go. If you go to the website now, this is the website Bao66.cn. just type Bao66.cn and this should show like this. When show like this, if it's not translated, because everything is written in Chinese language, so using Google Chrome now help me to automatically translate this now. But if your own is not translated to English, just come to this place now, click here, and you should look for translate here. This drop down menu, look for translate, then click on translate button here. Then this should help you to translate automatically from here. So when I'm translated, the next thing to do is to register. You see this register button here. If you look through, you see that this is what we are talking about. Before this, the interface of the website was not like this. Everything was intact, was very okay and attractive, and even mobile friendly then. But now everything see is not well arranged, just not functioning well. So we are not even seeing the image and everything like that. So now this is what you should do. You have to click on this register button here. It's not compulsory, all right, but should in case you want to buy this thing on your own now, I want to show you how to do this. Click on this register button. Now when click on register button, you will see something like this, which is not proper. So I want to show you the alternative, what you can do if this doesn't work for you, which I know probably it may not work as at now when this website is still misbehaving. So what you do is to go to Google and search for this keyword. Just type, you see where I'm typing it here now, here, just any this web bar here, just type Bao66 registration, then enter. So you see Bao66 registration, right? You see Bao, okay, now click on this one. You see this one, this is the one you would click, not this one, this one. Just click on it like this. All right, so it's now translated. Good, it has translated for me. Good. You see now, so I hope you have seen the solution here now. Non-translated. I want to register as a supplier, then you click here. I want to register as an online seller, then you click here. I want to register as a photographer, you click here. Now find customer service, you click here to connect with them. So mobile version and any other thing you want to do from here now, you see all the information. Contact us. So for one reason or the other, if you want to connect with them, see help center, contact us. And but this is not the purpose for this video now. Then service hotline, maybe you want to complain about why their interface, their website is having technical problem, you know, so you can connect with them. But now let's move further now. I want to register as an online seller. Let's read this now. All types of online sellers, wholesalers, and individual buyers are registered as online sellers. So which means we fall to this category. Okay, let me read the first one here. I want to register as a supplier. Luggage manufacturers, distributors, suppliers, and agents must be uniformly registered as suppliers. So we don't fall to this now, because this video is mainly for individuals that want to buy from this website. So the purpose is to buy. All right, so we fall to this category now. Reading this one make us to know that we fall to this category. So we click to register here. Now I've clicked it and waiting for this to translate automatically. Oh, done. So now the next thing is the phone number. If you put Nigeria phone number here now and click on get verification code, you will not see it. You will not get it. As at now when I'm making this video, you will not get it. So you have to put China phone number here. China phone number, you have to put it here. And how you can do that, you can go online to search for temporary phone number from China. Just go to Google and search for it. Then put the phone number here, then click on get verification code. Then the code now is the one you put here. When put here, your user, please enter password, user password. You put your password password here, or repeat the password, then QQ, please enter QQ number. You have to, the QQ, you can also use temporary number for QQ, which let me show you one here. You can go to Google and search for QQ temp number. Just put it like that, QQ temp number. Then you see different websites that render that service here. So anyone like this PVA, I think I have account with this SMS PVA. So look at this now. I have account with SMS PVA. You see, I still have $0.22 here. So look at this 10-cent QQ. Look at it here. So you see 10-cent QQ here. Let me click on it. So using it from there now, or any other free one, you can get it and put the phone number here. Then click on contact number, which is your China phone number. Put it here. Then click on this one to agree this agreement term. Then you click here that new. Then you're able to click confirm. This one will be clickable by then log in. That's all. So when register now, I'm able to log in, and then you're able to navigate through the sites and check in whatever thing you want to buy. So look at those things here: backpack, cross-body bag, and many things like that. But so unfortunate is I don't think generally this is working for anyone. For instance now, let me click on this cross-body bag. You see what is showing here now? Let me click another one. I have solution. I'm just showing you this feature in case of new people watching this video. They may not know what's actually happening. Let me click on this school bag. Now you see the same thing now. Now let's head straight to solution I have for you. Before moving towards the solution I have for you here, please, if you're very new to my YouTube channel here, what you can actually do to help yourself is to hit the subscribe button, and you can also connect with me using any of the link in the comment box. I'll pin it there, or description box. You can connect with me on social media, on WhatsApp, and many other places. So guys, let's go. The first of the solution I have for you is to go to YouTube. From YouTube here now, come to this search bar here and type this keyword, any of this keyword I'll put here now. China bag factory, or let me say just put something around bag. All right, China bag factory, China luggage factory, China backpack factory, China bag manufacturing. So these keywords are very important, guys. So let me, Chinese bag factory. Okay, let me just search for any of this. Now look at this. This is China Guangzhou handbag factory. Let me open one of these. Look at another one. Looking for bag factory, handbag factory in China. How to find, okay, good. This is what I'm looking for now. All these shorts, they will help. All these shorts will help. Click on this shorts, click on this shorts, be watching those shorts and some other ones here. All right, look at this. The mass production process of 1000 lightweight waterproof. Okay, what we need is bags. Look at China webbing and bag factory. Look at this one. 41,000 4 years ago. These people have been existing for long. All right, let me open some of them and quickly show you what to do. You can take your time to explore more about this, but let me quickly show you what to do. Still look for this. I open all those as tab, so I will still show you what to do next. Look at this also. So look at this. So now what to do now is to search through, and when you are convinced enough, like this is factory. All right, the next thing to do is to click here. You see this, look at it now. Just like my own now, you are seeing SHEYIDAIRO. If you check somewhere like this in my own YouTube channel here, you see that it's SHEYIDAIRO. So that's how you look at this now. This their name, all right, their channel name. Now click on it. While this is loading, let me quickly show you the second one. All right, look at the second one also. Look at it here. Look at it here. Now you have been seeing what they are into, right? So these people also, you can check. Maybe there is information about how you can connect with them here. The description, no, it's not here. So let's click on their name. Let's check the comment if they pin it there also. I don't think it's there. So next thing to do is to click on their name here. That's their channel name. All right, look at this also. Look at this. I am a bag factory in China, WhatsApp. So this one also puts WhatsApp here. This is even so straightforward. So this one put WhatsApp number here, and you can also go further, by clicking on this person's YouTube name here. Let's see. So when click, look at this here. You want to be sure about this person, then click on this more link here. Now look at this here. This is Facebook, YouTube, Facebook, 438,000 subscribers. So from Facebook now, let's open Facebook and let's see what's happening here in this person's Facebook stores. So now let's check the previous one we have. Then let's see how we can connect with this person here. Click here about. Oh, okay, this is the person's email. You can only contact this person through email. You can make this person anyways to give you their website, or other means of reaching them, and many other maybe on their social media stuff like that. But probably they should have contacts so that you can get in touch with them. Then let me check this one also. This one also does not have means of reaching this person. So that's for YouTube. You can also search through, you will see means. Let me take you to another social media now. Now another one is TikTok. You can come to TikTok and search for, come to this search button here. Let me type China bag warehouse, and they go, no, China bag factory. Okay, look at China bag factory. Okay, let's see this. Now when I search for China bag factory, now you see different ones. So you can take your time, and even TikTok will be so much easier because they'll put their contact details, their contacts, it will be there. You can also message them on TikTok, and there are many means to connect with them using TikTok. It's so easy. Look at it. That is one way. You see the account is there. Many things I see now. Best bag supplier in China. What you're looking for, check. You have connection with different supplier. Don't limit yourself to Bao66, because this Bao66, we don't know when this will be resolved. We don't know. All right, and this is the alternative I've given you. You should make use of it now. Okay, so if you see the result, you can click. When you click, check through their contents, the series of videos they have been posting, so that you will know if truly this person what you want. So let's see, still check for China bag factory. No, this is just 3 followers. No, it's not convinced enough. So just take your time to check through, to explore better. And this is top. Let's check accounts, and let's see from accounts. Look at this China bag factory Dairo or something like that, 670 followers, and this one China bag factory 1,000 plus followers. So just make sure you check through very well. That's one method. And let me come back to this top. Another method I want to show you now is to go to Google. If you are using your mobile phone, I will tell you how to do that. Go to Google first if you are using desktop, and type Google Translate. Then here, this is detailed language. Then translate to what? English. So here now you will put China here. Let's look for China. Okay, Chinese simplified or traditional, anyone. So I go to Chinese simplified. So here now, in this dictated language, let me put China bag factory. So here now I will copy this. So I still want to use another language now to connect. So come back to this place now. Then remove the English and search for this language now. Click on search. Then let's see. All right, why I use that now, I'm seeing now a Chinese factory specializing in high quality luggages. You see, that is 23 years bag factory. I'm still showing you this is another secret that many people may not tell you. All right, using their own language, because see, let me sincere. If you are using 1688, you see that most of their things is written in Chinese language. So this is another way to filter them out. All right, let me I think I'm done with this TikTok now. From there now you can connect with them. They will even put their contact there, or you can message them. So let's head straight to Instagram. Yes, Instagram. From Instagram now you can, okay, I think before I explain about Instagram, I told you using this Google Translate now, if you are not comfortable with this, it's so easy. If you are using mobile phone, and I have a video on that will train you how to translate and different strategy and method. All right, so to watch that video on how to translate very well and many secrets, go and watch it. I will put it, is it here or here? Just go, you'll see a link there, go and watch it. Okay, so let's go again. So heading straight to this place now, Instagram, then come to this place. You see search button, just search from here. I think I've already copied, so this is search button. All right, so click on it here. When click, then the one we copied, this one, I think we have copied this one, or maybe you can type English, or okay, let's copy this one, then Chinese language. Then come to this place and paste it here. Paste the language, then search. You see now it's even showing it. Search. Let's see. I'm not seeing good information. Let me copy the English. And let's see. Then search. Okay, from here now, China bag factory. You see. Using the English now, I can get many using English. But when I put the Chinese language there, I'm not seeing any result. So I think now you are seeing it practically now. So any of these people now, you can connect with them, access their Instagram to be very sure that you are dealing with the right company. So I click on this one now to see 381 followers. and you can connect with this person on WhatsApp here, clicking on this link now and get factory outlet price, So to be sure that you are dealing with the company directly now. So this is another method, all right? And make sure, be very, very careful. Make sure you check through very well and be convinced enough that, oh, this person is real. No, it's real. Like, let what they are posting, years of being in the business, the engagement on their post, the rate of the followers they have, let it convince you. Let it convince you. So far so good. Now I've shown you how to make use of this of some keyword like that to search. I'm using this keyword example. You can also check many other keywords that will work well to get results you want. And when you have gotten people like that online, how will you now secure transactions so that you not fall into the hand of a scammers? So another thing to do now is to make use of people you have there to help you on your behalf, to help you inspect the goods, to help you make payments, and to safeguard your transaction online so that it will not end up in problems. Because this now is not you are not buying from platform. It's not secured. You need to make use of agents that can handle your goods, that can represent you there, help you buy this, help you inspect your goods, even if help you check this even before making payments. This all depends on the location. When you are buying things and you are buying from the location, your agent also resides. You can give your agent the contacts of this person. Your agent will be the one to help you go there and inspect this thing and buy it on your behalf. Doing this method will actually help you, save you from many problems. So this is just the alternative way. Or go to normal place 1688 and search through. So this is just the alternative way to as a solution for the challenges we are facing with Bao66. You can be using this one and pending to when they will rectify the problem facing with Bao66.cn. Then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Do you have interest in learning more about mini importation business? Please go and watch this video. You have interest in mini exportation business? Cash out, go and watch this video. And do you have interest in free money, free business grants, sponsorship, and many things like that? Go and watch this video. And this is a new video. Thank you guys. Bye for now.